Hello everyone. Today I am going to share you some little information related to the organic chemistry practical. Myself Palak Varaduriya. I am doing my master in pharmacy in pharmaceutical chemistry from LM College of Pharmacy Ahmedabad. Today's our practical aim is to synthesize benzillic acid from benzil. So here we required some reagents like benzil, KOH, rectified spirit, concentrated HCl. We are taking 2 gram of benzil, 2 gram of potassium hydroxide, 5 ml of rectified spirit, and we have to add concentrated HCl until the reaction mixture turns into acidic, and we can check this acidic whether our solution turns into the acidic form or not through the litmus paper. Further moving towards the requirement we need for doing this practical are flask, beaker, butter paper, spatula, gloves, spectacles, water bath, porcelain dish, filter paper, litmus paper, ice cold water, and charcoals. Further moving towards the principle. 1,2-diketone on treatment with the hydroxide ion undergoes molecular rearrangement to give the potassium salt of alpha hydroxy acid that on acidification yield alpha hydroxy acid. As for example, when benzil react with the KOH to form potassium salt of benzilic acid, which on treatment with the hydrochloric acid to give a benzilic acid. This reaction may apply to many 1,3-diketone and is well known as benzilic acid rearrangement reaction. This method is useful for the preparation of disubstituted alpha hydroxycarboxylic acid. Further moving towards the reaction, I have shown you here benzil. On reaction with the KOH in the presence of HCl acidification, it will yield benzilic acid. Mechanism. The first step. Nucleophilic attached to the hydroxide ion on the carbonyl carbon atom of benzil to yield oxime. Here you can see that the benzil in the benzil, the when we add the hydroxide ion, it will attach to the carbonyl carbon atom of the benzil and it will give the oxime. Further, migration of the phenyl ring to carbonyl carbon, also known as intramolecular carbanion addition. This phenyl ring, along with the shared pair electron, migrates to the carbonyl carbon. The phenyl behave as a carbon ion, and its on addition occurs on the carbonyl carbon, which is 1,2 nucleophilic shift of a aryl group, and subsequently acidification completes the reaction. On further rearrangement of phenyl and on the addition of H plus ion, it will give the benzilic acid. Further moving towards the procedure. First of all, we need to take a solution of KOH 8.7 gram in a 25 ml of water. We have to make sure that KOH is fully dissolved in water in a flask. Then after we have to add 25 ml of rectified spirit and 8.7 gram of benzil. Then after we have to heat this reaction mixture on a boiling water bath for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we have to pour this contained in the porcelain dish and allow it to cool at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius so that the potassium salt of benzilic acid crystals out. Finally, we have to filter off the crystals and dissolve it in 100 ml of water. Then we have to slowly add the concentrated HCl drop by drop with the continuous stirring until the solution is acidic to the litmus paper. To that benzilic acid crystals out, filter it, wash it thoroughly with the ice cold water and dry. Make sure that final product of your will be dry. Recrystallize the crude benzyl acid from hot water by using the charcoals. We have to check the benzillic acid through the melting point method. The melting point of the benzilic acid is 150 degrees Celsius. Moving towards the calculation part, the molecular weight of the benzil is 210.23 gram per mole. The molecular weight of benzoic acid is 228.24 gram per mole. According to the reaction, 210.23 gram of benzil will give 228.24 gram of benzoic acid. We have taken 2 gram of benzil, so it will give how much benzoic acid? Through the calculation, we get the 2.17 gram of benzoic acid. This is the practical yield which we get 2.17 gram. The practical yield that we are doing after the practical, how much product you get after drying the final product, we get, for example, we get 1.8 gram. So how to find percentage yield? That is practical yield divided by theoretical yield into 100. So here we get 82.94 percentage. After performing the practical, we have to write a report. So here is the report. After performing the practical percentage yield of benzilic acid has been found to be 82.94%. Thank you for watching my video. For more updates, do subscribe. And please don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.